Hi, this is Dr. Antolak from thegentlendentist.com. Today we're discussing ways of replacing missing teeth. Sometimes people come into our office with either one missing tooth, a number of missing teeth, their full mouth is missing, and so I want to just address one way if people have a number of missing teeth and they might need what's called a partial denture. A partial denture is removable. This is what a partial denture is. Okay. It clips onto the remaining teeth of the mouth. It's for, sometimes we can replace the missing teeth with dental implants. We can get into that in just a little bit more about that. But for now, we're going to talk about how do we replace missing teeth using your natural teeth to help support what's not there. And so I try to do the best I could to kind of show you with this model about what if somebody came in like this, and then we can make something for them like this that would, and of course it's not fitting quite correctly, but where they could fit in like that, and then it would snap over their missing teeth, and it would be able to serve as a function. So it'll be tighter, much tighter than a full denture, and at the same time not as tight as if you had implants in it too. So it's kind of in between. The disadvantage of a partial is that it is removable, so you have to take it out at nighttime when you sleep. Definitely have to clean around the teeth that support it so that it lasts. And it does have some mobility into it. It's loose because it's attached to teeth, but it's a good way of replacing, the most cost-effective way of replacing missing teeth. If you have a few teeth in each arch to do that, you can get food underneath in these spaces here when you chew, so that can be a little bit of a nuisance. But overall, it's a good way of replacing teeth if there are a series of teeth missing and if finances are limited. It's a great option. So if there's any questions about that, or if you do have, you have a desire to replace some of your missing teeth, if you're embarrassed about the way you look, please feel free to give us a call at 586-247-350. Thank you.